here at Vallejo dealership. That's what we're working on so far. It's gonna fit 2 cars. We just poured the concrete. I didn't record everything, but it's gonna be nice. Alright, we got the pans up, they're going up. Going up. Working. Alright, this is what we got so far. Coming together. It's coming together. Gotta connect this little spot right here. Now, when people get out their cars, they can walk in there without getting wet. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. We got another one in the bag. Carport here at Vallejo dealership. Pretty big. It's 43 by 20. You can fit 2 cars in each space. Have fun building this one right here. That's the other one I had built a while back, and they wanted to attach them together. So we got these connected right here. So you get off your car, you can run up under here without getting wet. Came out really good, I'm pleased. Got a bronze roof too. We don't usually use bronze roofs. Usually the roof is white, but in this case came out really good.